Power down the device, then disconnect the device's power and network cables. Open the top access door, and then open the image printer. On the printhead, press in on the forks facing the right side of the printer. The printhead will move inward with a spring resistance. Guide the entire printhead assembly out of the groove that locks it into place. Tilt the head carefully and gently disconnect the cable without using force on the mechanism. Record the code shown on the white label stuck on the new printhead. You will need this code in the next steps. Connect the new printhead into its socket the way the old printhead was connected, making sure it's facing the right way. This component is very fragile. Do not use force to connect the cable. Insert the printhead back into the slot and push inward gently against the spring to guide the printhead back into its locked position. Close the image printer and reconnect the power cable, network cable, and power up the device. On the touchscreen, go to Menu, Settings, Printer, Advanced, Commands to open the printer utility page. Select the command text box and use the on-screen keyboard to enter the case-sensitive command P, lowercase k, lowercase n, semicolon, and then the code that you noted on the printhead. Next, press the Send button. If the printhead kit number is not entered correctly, the image printer may malfunction and the warranty could be voided. The response text box should report OK. If it reports an error, you'll need to try again. Close and lock the top cover. Create a sample card to make sure the device is producing images properly.